how to add shipping options to Squarespace stores. To do that, what we can do is we can head over and then click onto this gear icon, which is our settings. Now, from in there, you can see this option. So click onto the selling option right here. And then scroll down until you can see the option for shipping. So click on it and click on this adds shipping option. Now you can add flat rate or weight based. So let's choose weight based right here. And then you can put in here the name for the shipping option. So for example, let's name this expedite. And then you can put in orders up to £1, or you can also add to these numbers as well. For example, let's put it around £10. And then the cost for that will be around 1000. And then you can also add another more option right here, which is over this £10 that you have set earlier will be around 2000. Now you can select the regions that you will ship to for this one. For example, for this, I'll choose rest of the world and then click on save right here and it will be saved. So this shipping option has now been added for this particular region. So that's how you add shipping options to Squarespace stores. Hope you helped.